like that bench over there. That's a pizza bench. So we got, oh yeah, finished a little pizza there. Now we gotta go walk it off. Walk the trail. Let's try and break it. Hey Kyle, where are we at? Is this our backyard pretty much?
Yes, it is.
Right, so you're gonna catch every single crawdad in this creek?
I'll keep them until they lay babies.
Okay, cool. Walkers are a little tired. We walked too far. So now Dad's gotta go back and get the car, pick him up. Softies. Oh. I'm tired too though. I love this backyard though. This is the place to be. Running back to the car. Running part of the way at least. Big rock. Made it to Big Rock. So I missed my exit where I was supposed to get off this trail. Took a wrong turn. Now I'm getting thirsty. That was good. Whew. Oh, I had to get saved. Had to get saved.
I thought you were going to be ticked off when you got back.
Ah.
And I thought about giving you the keys down here, and then you were like, well, I want to go to the top of the hill.
I didn't even have the keys. All right, good news is we're all back together and we're in air conditioning now, thanks to Mom.